guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a free thumbnail using Microsoft Paint. So what you'll need to do first is you want to search like a Roblox image. Once you find the image, you want to click on copy image, then open an MS Paint. You'll have to make sure that this is 1280 by 720. This makes it 720 and sorry guys. And this makes it 1280. As you can tell. What you do is you want to press Ctrl V to paste it. Then you want to crop it. Then what you want to do is you want to like make a free Robux thumbnail. You can just search Robux PNG. So what you want to do is you want to search Robux PNG. Okay, so I found one. So when you found one, make sure it has a checkerboard background, or otherwise it will be white. But just go Ctrl V. It may look like this, but that's the best I can do. So once you want to do that, you want to add in some text. You can change the font if you want, and you can change it if you want. You can make it bold or anything. But yeah, this is just a quick tutorial. So what you want to do is you want to search how to get. Actually, you want to type in how to get free Robux. Then you want to do the same as the other text. You want to add another layer. Then you want to go green. You want to change. You can change the color if you want. You can do any color. You can do H. Go how to get free Robux, and I'll finish it off. And so you can make one. And then I want to do a different color, which is called Working 2018. And then do the same one as this. I want to do orange W, then do Working 2018, and yeah, that's how to make one. So what you want to do is you want to press this, you want to press save. Then what you want to do is you want to save it to desktop. So then you want to make it gibberish, go and you click on save, and it will work. And here's the image. Bye guys.